Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. Today we're showing you the Tusk light bar brackets for the Can-Am Maverick X3 models. If you have an X3 and you're looking to get a light bar mounted up, this is hands down the best combo to go with. These brackets are made from powder coated steel. What's nice is that they mount using the factory location, so there's no modification needed. The hardware will come included. And these brackets are built specifically for the Tusk 40-inch straight and curved light bar. Now you can buy these by themselves. You can buy a kit that will come with the light bar as well. Like I said, mounting, very simple. They have a nice sleek look once you have everything mounted up. And you'll also notice that we have the Tusk pivoting folding alloy mirror on here, which is another one of our favorite accessories. And these are using the A-pillar mirror mount kit. And what's nice is that this all integrates together. So the same mount that you use for the mirror just goes directly through the same holes that you're using for the light bar bracket. So if you want to get a light bar and a mirror setup, this is just a really good looking, awesome combo kit to have. If you have questions or comments though, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those down in the comment section below. To grab yours today, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. The machine specific, so just enter the year, make, and model when you're picking yours up, and you're gonna be good to go. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you always want to stay up to date on videos like this for the Can-Am Maverick X3 and other side-by-sides, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll always stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.